right, so let me talk to say channels in the dorsum, then so what the penny. So when the attention TV, what your dinner message in a ding, that in Yama Elko Eba in a videos in the Bibiano or Sabakan Live, your channel we are so, Mr. Or like you know now subscribe to my YouTube. What I say, that would be a channel and my bushia and I'm phoning now and sa atimi akami dino. And I mean, sir, a brompa, very much from an amaze. And me acquaintance be a minoche, a watch your wa. And I send back what you do home communion and so my God have been now at the table who will be free back. And sorry, Dawson, you know, when it comes to Christianity, churches in Dawson pop, and yeah, over to a ministry, we international, we ministry, we prayer camp centers, baby. But the question is, Nyamea sorry na man for the home. And I say, Nipana, the business been a warrior. When I'm so my Ghana, you're running for baby. Bakobi Suwajitin, ya, Ubudi will be at it. Baby, name the pa. Or young for Maurice Ampaw. It's you say. Share Oba Ghana, I am married a Jumanoa. You know, your father be trustee law. I saw for my brain, find your Juma, woe bleaching bitch basa. And there was always some new party. No one owns a church. I saw the new Biadia. And Tvgh said, me sorry, ma sorry, bra. But somebody said, oh, you don't own a church. We are trustee. I said, there's Yanko Pong B, being an ass in a Juma, and I was sorry for. But as I said before, I'm a kind of shuffle. I love the title. And to say, men Casa, sorry, a media. Fine, we see Canada see that idea, cementing the idea, but then when it comes to the trustee law now, nobody owns a church. According to net 2, Yanko is sending commercial channel.
This is why maybe some questions say, should we focus only on politicians for the very fact that they control the national purse? As of when they say, Oma Frefre Ghana for no major rates can
no.
Should they be disturbed?
No, we need a charity commission. Say, Minister of Chieftaincy.
Ministry of Chieftaincy, religious
affairs. A week. Limited role. He should promote peace. What peace are we talking about? What do I say? We need a charity commissioner. Every NGO or charity like the church, their account. You must be able to come and account for. So you share a video now. Also for no, you business an assembly. Your account with salary. What do I say? You share with salary. And so your mouth was car now toy no. What do I say? And I saw no so one in mission house. In the end, I said, oh, I saw the Kosi Diamond. I saw the I saw the 500 million hitting account.
What?
Or about with 20 people. I said charter flight. We told about that. Oh, they are here.
Yeah.
That is what the demand. And so it goes to their personal
account.
And they don't pay taxes. All the men of God are receiving gifts, but there's a gift tax. The IRS, what you are there? As so for you talk about a gift tax, you should pay tax on it. Now I'm going to be to job and I talk about me, and I watch me die, and then the IRS is sitting down and say the gift tax is not working.
Hey, somebody else said, somebody attention young can something as a million amaka. Papa Rankasani, intimacy for you now, and soon Chesem or Bufu, Dabi da. May you more attention TV. Timin can say, or be a Jumana may in Tassophone whenever today. So when it comes to the law, no casa because a lawyer me, it was young can say, yes, so. Edema unyanko ponti. Boya was even ICGC crampono and your penny utabodia. And Yenedia also vessel edema unyanko pon. When in Sema, a chagutawa, ye know HB, Facidemudu, and ma a ye, ye team or so boy, team will be a team because come. Now, the number is proper, very royal. Mr. J. Pinam, Transan Petit and one said to me, can be. Wash a tea in Miss Show, subscribe, let Pia share, Yami Show, no, your Cassima crowd.